Hi, we're back again. I'm here with my lab partner, Midge Maisel, and we're going to do number one part of your lab on identifying minerals. So the first mineral, and she's going to go get my stuff. First mineral is mineral number 5, and if you look at it really close, you can see it's got a little bit of sparkle. To identify a rock, the first thing you need to do is note its color. This one happens to be dark gray in places, black in places, and even in some places it's a little bit brown. If I could turn my camera around so you could see a light, you could see brown all around right here. Anyway, so the color, streak is what color does it leave when you rub it against a hard surface. So I have 2 pieces of tile. I generally use a black and a white piece of tile because sometimes if it's a white streak, it doesn't show up very good on a white plate. And if it's a black streak, it doesn't show up very well on a black plate. Let me see if I can put this camera up here so you can see what I'm doing. So here's the black one. You really can't see anything on there, so let's try the white. And it looks like the streak on here is dark gray to black. The luster, again, you can see it's got a little bit of shiny to it. Just a little bit. And the cleavage is irregular. It doesn't really have flat surfaces, or it's really broken, just very irregular. To find its density, of course, you have to take its mass. So I'm going to put it on the balance, and you'll want to write these things down. I get 45.8 grams. And then we're going to put it in the overflow can. Since I can't really measure length, width, and height because it's irregular, I'm going to catch it. This particular graduated cylinder is marked in tenths of a gram. So it's a lot more accurate than the ones I was using before because they only go to 1 gram. So you can write your answer to the tenths place since my measuring instrument measures to the tenths. So I'm going to catch this. And it's going to be, I'm not sure you're going to be able to read it on the camera because this particular graduated cylinder is really hard to read. Let's see. I get, gotta hit it, flat 8.4. 8.4. So anyway, you'll calculate and get all those together, and then you're going to compare that to the list you made of the properties of different materials and figure out which mineral it is. So we'll go on to the second one in a minute.